Hi, I'm James from Total Marine, and we've just completed a Humphree Fin and Interceptor install on this Princess S65. This system is a fully electronic system run by lithium batteries. It is a carbon fibre fin, and as a retrofit or even a factory fit, the fin is made so we can adapt the top to be able to be cut and be out the way of any obstructions, through hole fittings, chines. As you can see here, it is cut to shape. One of the main benefits of the Humphree fin system is at zero speed, the fin will work at when you are at a bow anchor, it will turn 180 degrees, and then the fin will work along with the anchor, and rather than create what other fins do is a anchor walk. The system that we fitted, the fins are a 1 meter square system, and the interceptors are a HE 950 or 950 model. The E is for the extended.
Let's take a look at the interior. There's several reasons the client opted for Humphree. One of them we already discussed, it's compact. The next two would be low noise and low consumption. To follow through them last two, we've opted for a Mastervolt battery source. A kit consisting of the Mastervolt lithium charger, lithium batteries, and of course, here we have the Mastervolt panel connected to the electronic box. Instead of having the system dispersed in the engine room, we wanted to put it all in one electronic box so it's easy access for the client and of course a lot safer. So as you can see, we don't have a lot of space in this engine room. We have massive V12 engines, we have a huge generator behind me. You're asking where is the Humphree system, how we fitted it in. Well, it's very compact. The servo motor only weighs approximately 100 kilograms, so we can basically twist and turn it and get it in any position we like. That's why Humphree is the most retrofitted product in the market. Total Marine have done an excellent job here. So all you had to do is they slightly lifted the fuel tanks up, they put the servo on the side, lowered it down, and Bob's your uncle, there it is.